Hello, good afternoon everyone. How are you doing today? I hope you all have a great day today. So today I'm gonna make a Sautee Chayote with sliced almond. So here in front of me I already prepared here one big of chayote. This chayote when I finish cook will be enough for 2 until 3 people. So this is the chayote that we gonna cook. And then the next ingredient here I have 3 pieces, 3 shallots. And the next one I have 2 cloves of garlic, 1 piece of red chili, 1 green chili, 3 shallot, 3 meatball. You can choose chicken or beef meatball, whatever you like. And then here I also prepare for the 1 tablespoon of sliced almond, 1 teaspoon of broth powder, and a quarter of sugar, a quarter of salt. And here also I prepare for 50 milliliters of water. So follow the next step for cooking this sautee. First we cut and peel the chayote. We take out the seed inside. We throw away the chayote and then we peel this chayote. Take away the skin. I peel and wash the chayote. I cut the chayote like the shape like this one. Make it a tiny slice, long tiny slice. Afterward, I gonna cut it in a quarter or in a half of the chayote. Make it smaller so easy in bite eaten. So we cut small like this one, so it is easy to bite. And then I transfer to a different plate, to serving plate, the bigger one. And then next I continue with the half of the chayote that I cut already. Make it small slice, or optionally you can cut what shape would like to cut, as long as it's easy to bite when we enjoy them. Okay, we finished already with the chayote. Step, we're gonna cut the meatball in a tiny slice. Actually, this meatball is kind of for decoration or for garnishes that looks more beautiful for this. After the word, I gonna cut the garlic and also in the tiny one. Well, it's finished with the garlic. I transfer here. I have to transfer the meatball. The next step, I cut the shallot. I finish with the shallot, and then I put together with the garlic. So we're gonna saute together first the garlic and also the shallot, and then the next step I cut the red chili and shape long like this one. Cut it in a small tiny. This kind red chili is also for decoration for the cuisine that we're gonna cook for today. After that, I transfer to the different step here. Okay, the next step I gonna cook for the chayote. Okay. And then the next step I put the vegetable oil. Is around 2 tablespoons of oil. You can make 1 or 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and then we wait for the oil is hot. Afterward, I gonna put the onion, shallot, and also the slice of the chili. After couple minutes, I put the sliced almond. We wait until the almond changes the color to be like a golden color. And then I put the slice of chicken meatball. And then I put the water, 50 milliliters of water. And then I cover for 2 minutes for this until it's all boiling. After 2 minutes, I put all the ingredients, the seasoning. It was like sugar, salt, and also the broth powder. And then I put the chayote. I mix well the chayote. Make sure it's mixed well, all mixed together. And then afterward, I gonna stop for and let it be for like 5 minutes. Make the chayote more tender on it. And then I lower the heat. Wait until 5 minutes. Okay guys, after 5 minutes I cook. The chayote is already tender, and I turn off the fire, the electrician. And afterward I gonna transfer to the serving plate. Transfer to the serving plate. So it's we gonna ready to enjoy. It's good for dinner or for lunch time. We make it nice on the serving plate. And then I put the fried onion on the top. It's for garnishes, and then look more beautiful to serve. There you go. The Sautee Chayote with sliced almond is ready to be enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.